Hello, my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I myself am feeling much better thanks to you guys. I really appreciate you guys wishing me well, giving me your condolences. I so appreciate you and love you for that, you guys. So you just don't know how much that means to me. And because of you, I'm feeling so much better, you guys. So thank you for all the lovely comments in my last video. Also, I wanted to thank you guys for all the thumbs ups, which let me know you guys were interested in seeing my SLG collection. So I'll be getting that all together and you'll be seeing that very, very soon. And as you see in the background, today is Valentine's Day, and I wanted to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, my loves, to you. And be sweet. Really quick on the agenda today, I wanted to share with you some things that I picked up from Dior. As you can see, I have this box right here. Then I have this little small one right here, which we'll start with this one first. Look at this gorgeous packaging. This packaging right here was part of their Valentine's Day packaging, which you know, guys, Dior does some beautiful packaging. So I have one little item I picked up in here, and then I have two items, I believe, in the box behind it. So we'll get started with this one right here and open up this lovely ribbon. And first, inside of here, you have the little sample pouch, which you get to choose 2 samples with every order. And I got the Sauvage as a sample. So this one right here is for my husband. I always give him these to put in his travel bag, even though he has an atomizer of the Sauvage. So here's what that one looks like inside. And then I got this new sample here. I've never tried this one. And there's what that one looks like right there. So those were my 2 samples I received. And then the item I purchased was, y'all should know me, I purchased a lippy, you guys. And this is my favorite lip gloss from Dior. It's the Dior Addict Lip Maximizers. I got this one in a new shade that they came out with. This one is 084 Blue Mania. They had several new shades they came out with along with the balms, but I chose this one out of all of them because it's unique to my collection and it was so sparkly and pretty, you guys. And even though this shade is Blue Mania, you can see it's like an icy type of blue that's just going to probably look like a really iridescent gloss. So that's what drew me to this one. Let's take a look at it as a swatch here. Ooh, yeah, you see that? So you get hints of pink and blue in there. That's going to be pretty, you guys. You'll be seeing me wear this in housekeeping soon. I also have some Chanel that's coming up too from their new collection that I'm going to share with you as well. But look at that gloss. That's what I love about these. I'm a glossy girl. I will forever be a glossy girl, y'all. So yeah, if I had to choose one between a lipstick or a gloss, it will definitely be a gloss all day, every day. So yeah, you guys. I picked that one up and it's going to be perfect. I pulled out one of my trays here just to show you guys. how I love these Dior Addict Maximizers. You see all the shades I have here. I have some balms mixed in here too. But look at all the maximizers I have that's in this tray alone. And I probably got some stuck in some purses as well. But like I said, I'm a fan of these, y'all. If you love that tingly feel on your lips and, you know, it feels like you're getting some type of plumping effect, you're definitely going to love this, you guys. And you can get them, as you can see, as creams like these, or you can get them with the shimmers in them as such, like I have here. And this gold one right here is one of my favorite ones with all that sparkle in it. You can wear it as a topper, or you can wear it alone. I know this is a limited edition. You're not going to be able to find this one, but it is one of my favorites. But I'm happy to add this one right here as a new one to my collection. So this is the Blue Mania again. And before we get to the box, you guys, I wanted to share with you my fragrance of the day. Since today is a day of love, you guys, I pulled this one out from Kilian. This is the Rolling in Love by Kilian, you guys. I love this fragrance. I had to put this on my fragrance tray for this month because it just gives you that romantic vibe, you guys. This has that almond note in it. It has iris in it, you guys. It also has a musk scent in it as well. It just gives off love in the air, y'all, when you spray it on. Let me know if you guys have Rolling in Love, if you have smelt it, what you think about it, you guys. I think it's beautiful. So it's perfect for a day like today. So that is what I'm wearing today, you guys. And so next, let's get into this box here. So as you can see, it has the traditional packaging here in the white and gold. So we're just going to open that all up. That's what it looks like inside. I see I have a gift with purchase here. And I did have a code for this little bag here. And it's made out of this terry cloth type of filling here. And as you can see, you have the Christian Dior Paris written in this melon type of color. And inside, you have that same color with the CDs all over it. And then here, you have a pull tab of that same terry cloth clipped on here where you can pull it closed. So here's a nice little pouch I could use to put things in. So I'm so glad I got that for free. Then down here we have samples, and we'll just go over these. So my two samples here were, I got a Miss Dior perfume here, which I love that one. I have that up here in the regular size. And then I got this one for my husband here, which it looks like the little thing might have fell out somewhere. Yep, it sure did. Here we go. I heard something drop. I just didn't know quite what it was. So that goes in there. So that's another sample that he can carry. So I'll give those two to him. And then I have another sample here of the Shakura. And I got this because when your order was over $100, which mine was like dead on $100, maybe a couple cents over, um, you got a free deluxe size. So I chose this one. And there's that. Because I like to take these little bottles and put them in atomizers. I did a whole video on how I do that and use them for travel. So there's that one. And then we'll go into the two items I got. The first item is here. And it is the Dior Cream Apricot. And y'all, for this one is that limited edition one because I already have one of these. But y'all, when I saw that they had this little pink one, and you can reuse these, y'all, because I had a lip balm like this, and I use all of the lip balm up. They used to have this in a lip balm form, like a night mask lip balm, but it was white. And I used it all up. So I cleaned it out. And, you know, you can put little pills in here or whatever you want to put in there. You can put more hand lotion in there. You can put Vaseline in there, whatever, you guys. So, yeah, I like these little containers because you can reuse them or repurpose them as I do. So, anyways, I got this one because it was pink, y'all. So, look. Ooh, let's lift this up. I love their nail and hand creams because they are so moisturizing. Let me show you. Look. I think it's purpose for your nails, but child, I rub this thing on my hands, cuticles, everything. You see how oily it gets? It's so good, y'all. I'm just showing you on my hand. But it is so moisturizing. You see that glow? Love that, y'all. So you don't have to be like me, but you know, I say, let me see if it says on here what you use it for. I think it's supposed to be a cuticle and nail type of thing. But again, I put it on my hands too. Yeah, it's a strengthening nail product. But again, I'll rub it over my hands as well. So I got that as my first item there. And it has a really light scent to it and it smells divine. Okay, so lastly, and here y'all, is what I most wanted to pick up when I saw these new little minis that you can put in your purse. They have 3 different one of these. This one that I picked up was the Miss Dior Bloomin' Bouquet. And they're perfume solids, you guys. Perfume solids. And I see there's a sticker. Hold on. Let me get something to open that up. Okay. So now that I got my little cutter here. Let's see here. Ooh, isn't that pretty, guys? Look at that. So it's made out of like this cloth like material, and it has that Miss Dior Paris written on it, and it's trimmed in silver, and it has that like houndstooth print going all around it. So let's look at the solid. And so there is your solid right there of the fragrance. And that is all you get there, you guys. I believe this one was $72, I want to say. And they also have these other cases that you can buy separately for, I think, $39. They have 3 different ones, one in a blue, one in a pink, and one in a brown. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys, but you can purchase them separately if you wanted a different one. And they all say Miss Dior on them. And again, you know, they're $39 separately if you wanted to get one of those. But I just chose to just have what it came with, you guys. I didn't need any special cases for it to go in, although they were cute. So that's what it looks like as you're rubbing it on. Oh my gosh, y'all. It smells so good. It smells just like the Miss Dior. Oh my gosh. I love this, you guys. This is going to be nice just to put in my purse. I can see myself dabbing this all on my neck and behind my ears and, you know, on my wrist, you guys. This is nice. This is nice. And I'm going to enjoy having this in my purse and traveling with this little cutie as well as a solid, because typically I'll travel with the ones that looks like this, the little atomizer. So now it's nice to have a little solid, you guys. Isn't that nice? Honestly, guys, I was a little bit skeptical to get this because I was thinking that little thing, you're going to put it on and you're not even going to smell it. But y'all, when I tell you that little bit I rubbed on my hand, you can smell it, you guys. You can smell it. So I'm glad I did pick this one up. I really like it. I really like it. Now I'm just going to have to stop myself from going back to get another one, you guys, because I do love the Auto Parfume too. And it was hard for me to choose between the two, which one I wanted. And I have both of these perfumes in the larger size. So it's not like I don't have either one of those. So that's why I chose one of these. But now, dare I say I want the Auto Parfume too? See, this is what happens. This is what happens to me. I overindulge and I keep telling myself I'm not going to do it anymore. Girl, just know that's who you are sometimes. Yeah, that's just me. I am trying to cut down on some things, but some things, y'all, when it comes to makeup and beauty items, I just can't hold back. I can't hold back, y'all. So, yeah, I might be going online ordering me another one of these. But anyway, you guys, that is what I picked up from Dior. I hope you enjoy this small little unboxing of these items with me. Okay, guys, so here is a quick overview of all the items I shared with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day filled with lots of love, you guys. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.